So you want to tell the people where we are?
Yes, hello everyone. We are at the Grove of Hollywood, the premier prestige shopping mall. Most people, when it comes to shopping, most people think of shopping in Hollywood like Rodeo Drive. No one actually shops in Rodeo Drive.
Except the really rich people.
Even then. And when they do it, they have a private shopping experience that no one can interrupt, no one can interfere with, and it's very, very impersonal. Personally impersonal. That sort of thing. No, we are here at the Grove, which is Hollywood's premier shopping center. In fact, it's LA's premier shopping center, really. There's customer service and driving over there.
Yeah, it's pointed.
And there's the main mall over here, which we're going to go into in a second. And there's the Grove icon, Palisade over here.
Well, shall we go show them?
Yes, let's go. El Estable. The first store at El Estable Glasses.
How much you want to bet it's owned by Luxottica?
Probably. But shopping there, then you'll never know.
I'm going to shove you into the fountains.
Good.
Huh?
Good.
Are you sure?
Shove me in.
Oh my.
Yeah, I think it was
Oh, I can't. They have a railing. Okay. You're gonna need to take this for a second. I can't see.
Oh, it's so much fun, or fun going blind.
Going blind and dry.
Yeah, going blind and dry. Why not? Why the heck not?
You know what these crowds remind me of?
What's that?
Freaking Disneyland.
She was raised Catholic, but she's like me, like.
There's the famous Broke Out Room. Strawberry, Monte.
A bar across from a bar. See, this is what a lifestyle center should be. Oh look, it's an Emirates ad place. Or that was just ads. Okay. Grove, we got Barnes & Noble down here. Jesus. Blue Ribbon Sushi Bar and Grill. Shall we wander? Where shall we wander to first? Here? This way?
You can go this way. Yeah, go off the cut 3 or...
any of you are.
This area.
Ben's clothes and other knick-knack.
Potato bites.
I kind of see what they did there. That's funny.
How are you guys?
Good. Edo bites. Edo bites.
Seen that in Japanese City, Edo.
Yeah. Aw, the Vans isn't here yet. So sad. Crest
See, I
plant.
love this. People are cheering, smiling, wanting to watch it, and they're obligated to do so.
And you know what the craziest part is?
What?
It's February.
Yeah.
What can we do in Cleveland in February?
Try to stay warm.
I was looking for the term between jacket shit.
I was trying to be nice for viewers on YouTube.
You know what else is nice? Not going into the Gap.
Nike Superstore.
Dear God, that is a big Nike store.
Yeah, it's their Superstore.
Oh, they actually do have a trolley around here.
That was number 1759.
Actually, the trolley probably doesn't work anymore.
It's a museum. Level, page.
Want to go into the Nordstrom?
Why?
I don't know. It's a big Nordstrom.
We have Big Nordstrom out in Crocker Park, and I have never gone in there except to get one thing that didn't fit right.
I think that one might be bigger.
It's huge. There's also a cafe in there.
A multi-level Nike store.
Yeah. And just because they had little Victoria's Secret.
I remember we went in.
No, I went in. You were at home sleeping.
No, I was at the hotel sleeping.
Oh, my bad.
Yes, your B. You lie. The trolley is working.
And you said it was definitely. Yeah, there is a trolley.
Well, in the defense,
No, there is no defense. On your fuck up.
it is the only trolley that I'm pretty sure is functioning in Los Angeles. Yes, we have a row of Jewish schoolgirls who ran past here.
Yes.
They all went to a Jewish academy.
There are numerous.
But it was like $20.
So you can actually have this kind of stuff out here. Oh look, a Cheesecake Factory that actually looks like it's not just slapped there.
Yeah, it's part of integrated architecture.
Which I'm sorry, I love this architecture so much more than the architecture in Cleveland.
Wayne Cocker?
Cleveland architecture in general. Because you can tell it's more aesthetically pleasing. You want to go look at the apples? All it is big with high ceilings.
There's no reason for it except to be like, okay, yes, like, I don't know, I ain't deserve to buy anything in there.
They literally have...
But I mean, all the architecture.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's what it is. It's an AMC. I'm surprised it's still functioning.
Jeff AMC from Large Theater wins.
Yeah, and they went through partial bankruptcy and shut some stuff down.
Hey, everyone, Charlie.
Yay. Does that count as autoerotic asphyxiation?
You take all the fun out of it.
I know. And the best part is, YouTube can hear our banter. See, all the little kiosks you can have a lot easier here, and what, 90% of people are wearing shorts?
That's sincerely yours.
That was back there. Sandro, Alo, Coach. You want to go in?
Hermaid Malik.
You want to go in there? Looks like they're closing though. We go to Michael Kors. All right, I'm gonna.
Yep, all right.